Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss some multiple choice questions with answers on the chapter amines. First question, how many isomeric forms of C7H9N contain a benzene ring? How many isomeric forms of C7H9N contain a benzene ring? Options are given here. Option A 4, option B 5, option C 6, option D 7. There are 5 isomeric forms of C7H9N that contain benzene ring. What are those 5 isomers? The name of those 5 isomers are: first one 2-methyl aniline, second one 3-methyl aniline, similarly 4-methyl aniline, N-methyl aniline, as well as benzyl amine. These are the 5 isomeric forms of C7H9N compound that contain benzene ring. Therefore, the right answer for this question is option B. Option B is the right answer. Next, question number 2. Which of the following has pyramidal shape? Among the given options, which one has pyramidal shape? As options are given here: option A BCl3, option B CS3 thrice N, option C CS3 4 N plus Br minus, option D all of these. Yes, come to the point of option A BCl3. BCl3 contains trigonal planar structure. The shape of CS3 3N is pyramidal or distorted tetrahedral structure, as the central nitrogen forms 3 sigma bonds with carbon of methyl groups and has one lone pair of electron. Due to presence of lone pair of electron, it forms a pyramidal shape. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option B, CS3 3N. It contains pyramidal shape. Next, question number 3. The correct decreasing order of boiling points among amines and their corresponding acids and alcohols is. See the question once again. The correct decreasing order of boiling points among amines and their corresponding acids and alcohols is. Here the options are given. See this. Okay, when we observe the given options, amines generally have lower boiling point than alcohols, because amines have weaker hydrogen bonds than alcohols, but carboxylic acids have high boiling point. Therefore, carboxylic acids having higher boiling point than alcoholic group than NH2. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option D. The correct decreasing order of boiling points of amines, their corresponding acids and alcohols, is RCOOH is greater than RCH2OH is greater than RCH2NH2. Next, question number 4. An organic compound X reacts with nitrous acid to give effervescence and alcohol is formed. X can be obtained by the reduction of option A alkyl isocyanide, option B alkyl cyanide, option C alkyl amine, and option D aldehyde. Yes, an organic compound X reacts with nitrous acid to give effervescence and alcohol is formed. X can be obtained by the reduction of alkyl isocyanide. Alkyl isocyanide. When C2H5Cn is undergo reduction, at the time it forms C2H5NHCS3 that is your X. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is alkyl isocyanide. Alkyl isocyanide is the answer. Next, question number 5. The reagent used to convert primary amide into primary amines with same number of carbon atom is, see the question once again, the reagent which is used to convert primary amide into primary amines with same number of carbon atom is option A Br2 plus NaOH mixture, option B NaOBr, option C lithium aluminum hydride, option D tin and HCl. Yes, students, usually lithium aluminum hydride is used to convert amide into amine with same number of carbon atom. Therefore, option C is lithium aluminum hydride is one of the strong reducing agent is used to convert primary amide into primary amines. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option C. Next, question number 6. Preparation of amines by Hofmann ammonolysis of alkyl halides is an example of option A electrophilic substitution reaction, option B nucleophilic substitution reaction, option C electrophilic addition reaction, option D nucleophilic addition reaction. Preparation of amines by Hofmann ammonolysis of alkyl halides is an example of. Students, Hofmann's ammonolysis, in this reaction alkyl halides is treated with alcoholic ammonia to give primary amine. Here alkyl halides undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with ammonia to form amines. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option B. Preparation of amines by Hofmann ammonolysis of alkyl halides involves nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next, question number 7. Which of the following has the most stable conjugate acid in aqueous medium? Which of the following has the most stable conjugate acid in aqueous medium? Option A CS32NH, option B CS3-N, option C C6H5NH2, option D C6H5NHCS3. Yes, students, most stable conjugate acid is the most stable protonated cation whose stability depends on the extent of hydrogen bonding. Among the given options, C6H5NH2 has most stable conjugate acid because it contains more number of protons. Remember, most stable conjugate acid is the most stable protonated cation. Therefore, the correct answer for this question means most stable conjugate acid in aqueous medium is benzamine or simply aniline. Next, question number 8. Deep blue color formed by addition of copper 2 sulfate solution to ethylamine is due to the formation of. Deep blue color formed by addition of copper 2 sulfate solution to ethylamine is due to the formation of option A free copper 2 plus ions in solution and ammonium sulfate, option C CuC2H5NH24 of 2 plus ions, and CuOH2 is copper hydroxide. Yes, copper 2 plus, when they react with C2H5NH2, 4 moles of C2H5NH2, at that time the complex C2H5NH2 of 4 times tetraethylamine copper. It is one of the deep blue color complex. Therefore, CuC2H5NH2 2 plus is one of the deep blue color complex. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option C. Next, question number 9. Which of the following dissolves in aqueous ethylamine? Which of the following dissolves in aqueous C2H5NH2? Option A, AgCl, silver chloride. Option B, silver iodide. Option C, AlCl3, aluminum chloride. Option D, iron chloride, FeCl3. Silver chloride dissolves in ethylamine due to formation of the complex. When we see the reaction, AgCl plus 2 moles of NH2C2H5, it gives the complex AgNH2C2H5 of 2 plus ion and Cl minus ion. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is silver chloride. AgCl is the right answer. AgCl is the right answer. Next, question number 10. The amine which does not react with acetyl chloride is? The amine which does not react with acetyl chloride is? Option A, CS3NH2. Option B, CS3 twice NH. Option C, CS3 thrice N. And option D, none of these. Students, tertiary amine, this cannot be acetylated because replaceable hydrogen atom is absent here. Tertiary amines cannot be acetylated because replaceable hydrogen atom is absent here. Usually the compounds containing active hydrogen atoms, the hydrogen atom which is attached to the nitrogen, sulfur or oxygen, it reacts with CS3COCl to form acetyl derivatives. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option C, means tertiary amine. Next, question number 11. Nitrosoamines NR2N double bond O are insoluble in water. Nitrosoamines are insoluble in water on heating with concentrated H2SO4. They give secondary amine. The reaction is called. Nitrosoamines are insoluble in water on heating with concentrated H2SO4. They give secondary amine. The reaction is called option A, Lieberman's nitroso reaction. Option B, Ittald reaction. Option C, Corey-House reaction. Option D, Hofmann mustard ion reaction. Yes, when phenol is react with sodium nitrate and concentrated H2SO4, it provides a deep green or blue color which changes to red on dilution with water. Generated substance in presence of sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide restores the original green or blue color. This reaction is termed as Lieberman's nitroso reaction. Therefore, this Lieberman's nitroso reaction is the right answer. Next, question number 12. Benzene diazonium chloride on reaction with phenol in weakly basic medium gives. Benzene diazonium chloride on reaction with phenol in weakly basic medium gives option A, diphenyl ether. Option B, para-hydroxyazobenzene. Option C, chlorobenzene. And option D, simply benzene. Benzene diazonium chloride, nothing but BDC, on reaction with phenol in a basic medium, it gives para-hydroxyazobenzene. Remember, this is an example of coupling reaction. C6H5, single bond N, double bond N, C6H4OH. Yes, therefore benzene diazonium chloride on reaction with phenol in weakly basic medium, it gives para-hydroxy azobenzene. Therefore B is the right answer. Next, question number 13. Acetanilide on nitration followed by alkaline hydrolysis mainly gives. See question once again. Acetanilide on reaction nothing but nitration followed by alkaline hydrolysis mainly gives option A nitroaniline, option B para-nitroaniline, option C meta-nitroaniline, option D 2,4,6 trinitroaniline. Acetanilide on nitration followed by alkaline hydrolysis, this reaction occurs under the presence of H2SO4 and HNO3. It gives both orthonitroaniline and para-nitroaniline. But between these two, major product is orthonitroaniline. It is one of the electrophilic substitution reaction. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is orthonitroaniline. Option A is the right answer. Next, question number 14. Nitration of aniline is carried out after acylation because. Nitration of aniline is carried out after acylation because. Option A, acylation deactivates NH2 group. Option B, oxidation can be prevented. Option C, ortho and para products are obtained in good yield. Option D, all of these. Question is, nitration of aniline is carried out after acylation because. When we observe all the given options, all three given reasons are correct. Means acylation deactivates the NH2 group, it is the right statement, and oxidation can be prevented in particular reaction. Ortho and para products are obtained in good product or in good yield. Therefore, answer for this question is option D. D is the right answer. Next, question number 15. NH2 group in aniline is. Amine group in aniline is option A ortho directing group, option B meta directing group, option C ortho and para directing group, option D para directing group. Students, amine group in aniline is ortho and para directing group because they can release electron towards ring due to resonance, and at the same time they withdraw the electron towards themselves from aromatic ring. Due to positive inductive effect, the resonating structure of aniline shows negative charge develops in ortho and para position, and electron deficient electrophiles attack the ortho and para positions. Therefore, the correct answer for this question means NH2 group in aniline is ortho and para directing group. Next, question number 16. An amine X reacts with Heinsberg reagent and the product thus obtained is soluble in KOH. The amine X is. An amine X reacts with Heinsberg reagent and the product thus obtained is soluble in KOH. The amine X is option A CS3NH2, option B CS3 twice NH, option C CS3N, option D none. Yes, reaction of benzene sulfonyl chloride with primary amines gives sulfonamides, product that is soluble in alkalis, but secondary amines sulfonamides cannot be soluble in alkalis. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is A, one of the primary amines. amide. Yes, next question number 17. Compound A on reduction gives B, which on further reaction with CHCl3 and alcoholic KOH gives compound C. This compound upon hydrolysis gives aniline. The compound A is. See question once again. Compound A on reduction gives B, which on further reaction with CHCl3 and alcoholic KOH gives compound C. This compound upon hydrolysis gives aniline. The compound A is option A nitrobenzene, option B methylamine, option C nitromethane, option D nitrosobenzene. Students, reaction with CHCl3 and alcoholic KOH, it indicates that compound B is definitely primary amine and compound C is an isocyanide, because when nitrobenzene is undergo reduction in presence of tin and HCl, it changes to aminobenzene. Further, it is treated with potassium hydroxide, aniline is formed. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is nitrobenzene. Option A is the right answer. Next question number 18. Benzene diazonium chloride is not isolated in the solid state because in solid state it is. Benzene diazonium chloride is not isolated in the solid state because in solid state benzene diazonium chloride is option A explodes, option B it is readily reduced, option C is readily oxidized, option D is readily hydrolyzed. Students, in laboratory benzene diazonium chloride is not isolated in the crystalline solid state because in the solid state it is unstable and explodes in this state. Therefore, option A is the right answer. Next question number 19. Which of the following compounds is formed when benzamide is warmed with bromine and alkali? Which of the following compounds is formed when benzamide is warmed with bromine and alkali? Option A bromobenzene, option B benzene, option C aniline, option D benzene diazonium chloride. When benzene or benzamide reacts with when benzamide reacts with bromine in presence of KOH, the reaction is known as Hofmann bromide degradation reaction. In this reaction, carbon monoxide bond or CO bond is removed from the compound. So final product will be aniline, that is C6H5NH2. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is aniline. C is the right answer. Next question number 20. In the nitration of benzene, concentrated HNO3 acts as option A act as base, option B act as an acid, option B act as a reducing agent, option D catalyst. Yes, nitration, it is one of the electrophilic substitution reaction and electrophile is nitronium ion here, that is NO2 plus. It is produced by transfer of proton from sulfuric acid to nitric acid. Hence HNO3 act as a base. In the nitration of benzene, concentrated HNO3 usually it acts as a base. Therefore, option A is the right answer. Next question number 21. Which reaction sequence is the best to prepare 3-chloroaniline from benzene? Which reaction sequence is the best to prepare 3-chloroaniline from benzene? Option A chlorination, nitration, reduction. Option B nitration, chlorination, reduction. Option C, nitration, reduction, chlorination. Option D, nitration, reduction, acylation. Students, when benzene undergo nitration in presence of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, nitrobenzene is formed. Further, it undergo chlorination in presence of Cl2 and iron. It forms 2-chloronitrobenzene. And then further undergo reduction in presence of tin. It forms 2-chloroaniline. Therefore, the correct answer means sequence followed in during this reaction is nitration, chlorination, reduction. Therefore, the B is the right answer. B is the right answer. Next, question number 22. Reaction of ethyl bromide and alcoholic KCN, potassium cyanide, gives a mixture of ethyl cyanide and ethyl isocyanide because reaction of ethyl bromide and alcoholic KCN gives a mixture of ethyl cyanide and ethyl isocyanide because option A, the products are isomeric. Option B, KCN is an ionic compound. Option C, Cn minus ion is an ambidentate nucleophile. Option D, there is an isomerization of cyanides to isocyanides. When we observe the options, in that option C, that is Cn minus means cyanide ion is one of the ambidentate ligand or nucleophile in which both carbon and nitrogen atoms are available for electron donation. Because of this point, reaction of ethyl bromide and alcoholic KCN gives mixture of ethyl cyanide and ethyl isocyanide. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option C. Option C is the right answer. Next, question number 23. The most basic compound in the following is, the most basic compound in the following is option A, benzylamine. Option B, aniline. Option C, acetanilide. Option D, paranitroaniline. Yes, in paranitroaniline, acetanilide and aniline, the lone pair of nitrogen is conjugation with aromatic system. Is that benzene ring? So it is delocalized and it is not freely available for donation. So these are less basic in nature. In benzylamine, formula benzylamine is C6H5CH2NH2. The lone pair of nitrogen is not in conjugation with the benzene ring and it is a free for donation to an electrophile. So benzylamine is one of the most basic compound. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option A, benzylamine. Next, question number 24. Identify the incorrect IUPAC name. Identify the incorrect IUPAC name. Among these options, one of the option is wrong, means it not related to the correct IUPAC name. Find out which one it is. Yes, observe the options. N-ethyl, N-methyl methanamine, ethanamine. 2-methyl-propan-2-amine, N-methyl-propan-2-amine, 2,2-dimethyl N-propanamine with respect to their structures. When we observe the all four options, the parent chain is propane. Amine is the functional group present here and that amine group is present in second carbon atom. But the correct IUPAC name of the fourth compound, means fourth option, is propan 2-amine, but they given 2-dimethyl N-propanamine This one is the wrong IUPAC name. Usually option D is correct. IUPAC name is propan-2-amine, but they given 2-dimethyl propanamine. Therefore D is our right answer, because this one contains incorrect IUPAC name. Next, question number 25. Among the following, which one is not formed as intermediate? Among the following, which one is not formed as intermediate? Option A RNCO, option B RCON minus, option C RCONBr, option D RNC. Yes, these intermediates usually observed in presence of Hofmann bromide degradation reaction. In Hofmann bromide reaction takes place in presence of bromine water and alkaline solution. The intermediates like RCONHBr, RCON, RNCO are observed in Hofmann bromide reaction, but there is no intermediate like RCN is involved here. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option D, because other than this RNC, these intermediate terms appeared in Hofmann bromide degradation reaction, but this is not. Next, question number 26. The reaction of chloroform with alcoholic KOH and paratoluidine gives the reaction of chloroform with alcoholic KOH and paratoluidine gives option A paramethyl phenyl cyanide, option B paramethyl phenyl isocyanate, option C paramethyl phenyl isocyanide, option D phenyl isocyanide. Students, the given reaction is known as carbylamine reaction. This reaction is specific for aliphatic and aromatic primary amines. Paramethyl phenyl isocyanide is formed during this reaction. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is paramethyl phenyl isocyanide. Paramethyl phenyl isocyanide, option C is the right answer. Next, question number 27. Which of the following is more basic than aniline? Among the followings, which of the following is more basic than aniline? Option A benzylamine, option B diphenylamine, option C triphenylamine, option D para-nitroaniline. Students, benzylamine is more basic than aniline. Benzylamine is more basic than aniline because group C6H5CH2 electron donating group due to the positive inductive effect. So it is able to increase the electron of nitrogen of NH2 group. Due to higher electron density, rate of donation of free pair of electrons is increased, is that basic character is higher. Phenyl and nitro groups are electron attractive group, so they are able to decrease the electron density of nitrogen in NH2. Hence, they are less basic with aniline. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is benzylamine. Next, question number 28. The basicity of aniline is less than that of cyclohexylamine. This is due to the basicity of aniline is less than that of cyclohexylamine. This is due to option A plus R effect and NH2 group, option B minus I effect NH2 group, next negative resonance effect NH2 group, hyperconjugation effect. The basicity of aniline is less than that of cyclohexylamine. This is due to, usually basicity means electron pair donated easily or proton abstraction done easily. Aniline and cyclohexylamine both have NH2 group and 6 carbon atom ring. The difference in basicity lies in a manner that aniline is a weak base, the cyclohexylamine aniline is a weak base than cyclohexylamine because of electron withdrawing effect of phenyl group. Aniline is a weak base. The unshared electron pair of electron on nitrogen atom is present in conjugation with the benzene ring and becomes less available for protonation because of resonance. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option A. Next question number 29. Identify the correct pathway to convert propanoic acid to ethylamine. The reagent represented by ABCR. In a particular reaction, propanoic acid is changes to propanamine, or propanoic acid to ethylamine. When propanoic acid is treated with thionyl chloride SOCl2, at that time CS3CH2COCl, the product is formed. Listen this reaction, CS3CH2COOH, when it is treated with SOCl2, CS3CH2COCl is formed. Further it is treated with NS3, CS3CH2CONH2 is formed. Then when it is treated with bromine water in presence of alkali solution, ethylamine is formed. Therefore, SOCl2 used, NS3 is used, and Br2 is used in a sequence. Therefore, correct answer for this question is, where is SOCl2? Okay, option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Next question number 30. Pyridine is less basic than triethylamine because. Pyridine is less basic than triethylamine because option A, pyridine has aromatic character. Option B, nitrogen in pyridine is sp2 hybridized. Option C, pyridine is cyclic system. Option D, in pyridine lone pair of nitrogen is delocalized. Pyridine is less basic than triethylamine because pyridine has aromatic character. Nitrogen in pyridine is sp2 hybridized. Option C, pyridine is a cyclic system. Option D, in pyridine lone pair of nitrogen is delocalized. Basicity of amine is due to the availability of unshared pair of electrons on nitrogen. This lone pair of electrons is available for the formation of new bond with a proton or Lewis acid. Pyridine is less basic than triethylamine because lone pair of electron in nitrogen on pyridine is delocalized. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is question number 30. The pyridine lone pair of electron nitrogen is delocalized. Option D is the right answer. Next question number 31. Which gives only monosubstituted product? Among the given options, which gives only monosubstituted product? Orthonitrobenzene. Option B, metanitrobenzene. Option C, para-dinitrobenzene. Option D, only nitrobenzene. When we observe the given options, in that metadinitrobenzene gives only one monosubstituted product because NO2 group is meta-directing group and only one meta position is possible in meta-dinitrobenzene. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is meta-dinitrobenzene. Next, question number 32. Which of the following reactions will not give a primary amine? Which of the following reactions will not give primary amine? Option A. See the reactions: CS3CONH2 in presence of bromine water and KOH. CS3CN in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. CS3NC in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. Here cyanide group is present, here isocyanide group is present. And another one, CS3CONH2 lithium aluminum hydride. Yes, when we observe the reactions given in a question, the option C reaction, methyl isocyanide, when it is treated with lithium aluminum hydride, there is a formation of secondary amine. But other than these reactions gives the formation of primary amine. Therefore, the following reaction C will not give a primary amine because methyl isocyanide treated with lithium aluminum hydride, a secondary amine is formed. Next, question number 33. What is the end product of the following sequence of reactions? What is the end product of following sequence of reactions? C2H5NH2 in presence of HNO2, A is formed. Next, in presence of ACl5, product B is formed, and in presence of ammonia, another product is formed. What is the product, means end product of the following sequence of reaction? Option A, ethylamine. Option B, methylamine. Option C, ethyl cyanide. Option D, acetamide. Yes, in the given reaction, the end product means final product is ethanamine only. During this reaction, first diazodization reaction takes place, then quickly followed by the hydrolysis. After that, the reaction with phosphorus pentachloride substitute the OH group with Cl. The last one is ammonolysis, which results the formation of starting compound again ethanamine or ethylamine. Therefore, A is the right answer. Next, question number 34. A positive carbylamine test is given by. Option A, C2H5-triacin. Option B, C2H5-triacin-NH. Option C, C2H5NH2. Option D, C3H7NHC2H5. Yes, among the given options, ethylamine react with chloroform CHCl3 and alcoholic KOH, then ethyl isocyanide is formed, which is bad smelling compound. When you observe the reaction C2H5NH2, it is treated with CHCl3 plus 3 moles of KOH. We get C2H5NC, means isocyanide, and 3 moles of KCl plus 3 moles of H2O. Therefore, C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. C is the right answer. Next, question number 35. Benzylamine reacts with nitrous acid to give. This is one of the direct question. Benzylamine reacts with nitrous acid to give. Option A, C6H5OH, C6H5CH2OH, C6H5NO2, C6H6. Yes, Students, benzylamine reacts with nitrous acid. It gives benzyl alcohol, nothing but C6H5CH2OH. Therefore, option B is the right answer. Next question number 36. On heating, benzylamine react with chloroform and ethanolic KOH. Product obtained is. On heating, benzylamine with chloroform and ethanolic KOH. Product obtained is option A, benzyl alcohol, option B, benzaldehyde, option C, benzonitrile, option D, benzyl isocyanide. Benzyl isocyanide, it is one of the given reaction. Benzyl amine reacts with nitrous acid. It is one of the reaction. On heating benzylamine with chloroform and ethanolic KOH, product obtained is definitely benzyl isocyanide. And this reaction is one of the carbylamine reaction. When benzylamine is treated with CHCl3 and KOH, one of the ethanol, benzyl isocyanide is formed. This is the test for primary amine identification. Therefore, benzyl isocyanide is the answer. Next question number 37. When a primary amine reacts with chloroform in alcoholic KOH, when primary amine reacts with chloroform in alcoholic KOH, then the product is option A, an isocyanide, option B, an aldehyde, option C, a cyanide, option D, an alcohol. Students, an isocyanide is formed during this reaction. An isocyanide is formed. This is the similar answer. This question also contains the same answer for above question. On heating benzylamine with chloroform, ethanolic KOH, product obtained is benzyl isocyanide. Same repeated question. When primary amine reacts with chloroform in alcoholic KOH, then the product is definitely an isocyanide. Next, question number 38. Question number 38. Primary and secondary amines cannot be distinguished by. Primary and secondary amines cannot be distinguished by Skipp's reagent, option B, carbylamine reaction, option C, Hofmann bromide reaction, option D, iodoform test. Primary and secondary amines cannot be distinguished by. What is the answer for this question? Definitely Hofmann's bromide reaction. Primary and secondary amines cannot be distinguished by Hofmann bromide degradation reaction. Therefore, this is the right answer. Next, question number 39. Ethyl isocyanide on hydrolysis in acidic medium generates. Ethyl isocyanide on hydrolysis in acidic medium generates option A, ethylamine salt and methanoic acid, option B, propanoic acid and ammonium salt, option C, ethanoic acid and ammonium salt, option D, methylamine salt and ethanoic acid. Ethyl isocyanide on hydrolysis in acidic medium generates. When you observe this reaction, the reaction is like this: C2H5NC plus H2O in presence of H plus ion. It changes to ethylamine salt like C2H5NS3 plus of HCOOH. Here ethylamine salt and methanoic acid is formed. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is ethylamine salt and methanoic acids. Okay, option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Next question number 40. Which one of the following methods is neither meant for the synthesis nor for separation of amines? Which one of the following methods is neither meant for the synthesis nor for separation of amines? Option A, Heinsberg method. Option B, Hofmann method. Option C, Woods reaction. Option D, Curtius reaction. When we observe the given options, Woods reaction is used to produce alkanes from alkyl halides. So Woods reaction have nothing to do with amines. Therefore, the correct answer for this reaction is Woods reaction. Option C is the right answer. Next question number 41. In a chemical reaction CH3CH2NH2 ethanamine plus CHCl3 plus of 3 moles of potassium hydroxide gives A, B plus 3 moles of water. The compounds A and B are respectively. See the reaction once again. Ethanamine treated with chloroform and potassium hydroxide. The products A and B with water is formed. What are those A and B? Options are given here. CH3, CH2, CONH2 and 3 moles of KCl. Option B, C2H5NC and K2CO3. Option C, C2H5NC and 3 moles of KCl. Option D, C2H5CN and 3 moles of KCl. The correct answer for this question is C2H5NC, means ethyl isocyanide, and 3 moles of KCl. It is an example for carbylamine reaction. The product will be C2H5NC and 3 moles of KCl. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option C. Next question number 42. When aniline is treated with sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid at 0 degrees Celsius, it gives. When aniline is treated with sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid at 0 degrees Celsius, it gives. Option A, phenol and nitrogen. Option B, diazonium salt. Option C, hydrozo compound. Option D, no reaction occurs. Students, when aniline is treated with sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid at 0 degrees Celsius, definitely it forms a diazonium salt. Therefore, it is one of the direct question. What is the answer for this question? Diazonium salt is the answer. Next question number 43. Nitrogen containing organic compound. Nitrogen containing organic compound gave an oily liquid on heating with bromine and potassium hydroxide solution. On shaking the product with acetic anhydride, an antipyretic drug was obtained. The reaction indicates that the compound is. See question once again. Nitrogen containing organic compound gave an oily liquid on heating with bromine and potassium hydroxide solutions. On shaking the product with acetic anhydride, an antipyretic drug was obtained. The reaction indicates that the compound is option A, aniline, option B, benzamide, option C, acetamide, option D, nitrobenzene. Students, nitrogen containing compound which gives an oily liquid on heating with bromine and potassium hydroxide solution and shaking with acetic anhydride and antipyretic drug acetanilide, means the benzamide is formed. Therefore, acetamide is the answer. Next question number 44. Which of the following exists as Zwitter ion? Which of the following exists as Zwitter ion? Option A, para-aminophenol. Option B, salicylic acid. Option C, sulfonilic acid. Option D, para-aminoacetophenol. Which of the following exists as Zwitter ion? What is Zwitter ion? Dipolar ion. Among the given options, sulfonilic acid exists as Zwitter ion. If you take an example, benzene ring which containing NH2 and SO3H group is changes to NH2 changes to NH3 plus and SO3H changes to SO3. It exists as a dipolar ion which has acidic and basic groups in the same molecule. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is 44. 44 question is option C. Next question number 45. High basicity of Me2NH relative to Me3N is attributed to. High basicity of the Me2NH relative to Me3N is attributed to option A, effect of solvent. Option B, inductive effect of Me. Option C, shape of Me2NH. Option D, shape of Me3N. High basicity of Me2NH is relative to Me3N is attributed to inductive effect of Me. The correct answer for this question is option B. This is a direct question. Next question number 46. Toluene is nitrated and the resulting product is reduced with tin and hydrochloric acid. The product so obtained is diazotized and then heated with cuprous bromide. The reaction mixture so formed contains. Toluene is nitrated and resulting product is reduced with tin and hydrochloric acid. The product so obtained is diazotized and then heated with cuprous bromide. The reaction mixture so formed contains option A, mixture of ortho and meta-bromotoluenes. Option B, mixture of ortho and para-bromotoluenes. Option C, mixture of ortho and para-dibromobenzenes. Option D, mixture of ortho and para-bromoanilenes. When toluene undergo nitration, it forms para-nitrotoluene. Then it undergo reduction in presence of tin and HCl. Para-methyl aniline is formed. Then it is treated with NaNO2 means sodium nitrate. Para-bromotoluene is formed and ortho-bromotoluene is also formed. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option B. Option B is the right answer. Mixture of ortho and para-bromotoluenes are formed. Next question number 47. What is the state of hybridization of nitrogen and carbon containing amino group in benzyl amine? Benzene ring with CH2 and NH2 group. What is the state of hybridization of nitrogen and carbon containing amino group in benzyl amine? Option A, sp2 and sp3. Option B, sp3 and sp2. Option C, sp2 and sp2. Option D, sp3 and sp3. Okay, we know in presence of benzene ring, the carbon containing sp2 hybridization and CH2 NH2, the carbon atom containing NH2 group is sp3 hybridized. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is A only, sp2 and sp3. Next question number 48. Match the compounds given in column 1 with column 2 and mark the appropriate choice. In column 1 they given benzene sulfonyl chloride, sulfonilic acid, alkyl diazonium salts, aryl diazonium salts. In column 2 they given deuterion, Heinsberg reagent, dyes, conversion of alcohols. Yes students, we know benzene sulfonyl chloride is the Heinsberg reagent which is used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amines. And sulfonylic acid rearranging to deuterion. And third option, alkyl diazonium salts lost nitrogen and then treated with water it forms alcohols. And aryl diazonium salts are coupled with aromatic amines phenol to form dyes. Yes, when we observe the options and the contents present in column 1 and column 2, the correct match of this question is C, because benzene sulfonyl chloride is one of the Heinsberg reagent. For A, the second point is correctly matched, and sulfonylic acid deuterion. So for B, first option is right. We observe like this, definitely we come to the conclusion. Among these given options, C is the right answer. C is the right answer. Next question number 49. Nitration of aniline is carried out after acylation because. Nitration of aniline is carried out after acylation because. Option A, acylation deactivates the NH2 group. Option B, oxidation can be prevented. Option C, ortho and para products are obtained in good yield. And option D, all of the above. Yes, acylation activates the NH2 group and helps in formation of monosubstituted product. We know this concept. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option A. Next question number 50. The least basic among the following is. The least basic among the following is. Option A, Ni3, option B, NBr3, option C, NCl3, option D, NF3. Ni3 means nitrogen triiodide is least basic because iodine has vacant d orbitals, hence it can accept a lone pair of electron from nitrogen and helps in back bonding. Also basicity decreases down the group, and in this manner as well as Ni3 is less basic than any other given options. The correct answer for this question is Ni3. This is the right answer. Okay, thank you students, and all the best for your CET NEET examination. Thank you.